Hello everyone, welcome to Down and Dirty. Today we're just going to do a short tech tip. For anybody that uses these dryers, desiccant dryers for your air, if you have a plasma cutter, you definitely need one. These are disposable ones. They don't come apart, so you can't replace a desiccant. I do have one that does come apart, and I can replace a desiccant in it and dry it out separately. But I'm going to show you how to dry out these supposedly non-reusable ones. The desiccant starts out blue when it's dry, turns pink when it gets moisture in it. So right now this one is pink. Been using it for a while, and I'm going to show you real quick how you can dry one out. All you need is a vacuum cleaner and a heat gun. Just going to be using my shop vac here and this Weller heat gun that I have. And I have our desiccant dryer here stuck in the hose of the shop vac. I got a welding glove on so I don't burn my hand with the heat gun, because it does tend to get hot. Okay, you can see the desiccant is turning blue there. Flip it over here and dry the moisture out of the other end. Makes it a little faster than waiting for it to get all the way through. So there you go, turned it back to blue, so they'll be good to use again for a while. I've actually dried this one out once prior to this, just playing around testing this theory. Put it on the hose on my compressor and used it for, I'd say, almost 2 weeks before they turned completely pink. And that's running die grinders, filling up tires with air, and other various things. Using the air compressor for, so actually lasts quite a while once you dry one out. Alright, well that concludes this short little tech tip on reusing desiccant pneumatic dryers. Simple enough, just use your shop vac and a heat gun and turn the desiccant from pink to blue and use it till it turns pink again. Alright, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Take care. Appreciate y'all.